Hi everyone, this is again Shashikant Burnwal from SalesAI Academy. In an earlier video, I showed you a checklist and the key sections your CV or resume should include. Today, we will learn how to use ChatGPT to build a great resume for B2B and Tech Sales roles. First, make sure you have your resume draft ready either in PDF or doc format. It should include at least these 5 sections: career summary, work experience, education, skills, and then certifications. Now, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to refine your resume. Go to ChatGPT, upload your resume, and then give this prompt. For example, I will use this resume which I received from one of our bootcamp attendees. We will now use a strong prompt to improve this resume. What we are doing here is giving clear instructions to ChatGPT. This is my current resume. Now work on these 5 sections and improve it for a B2B sales role. Rewrite it to make a stronger impact. If any section is missing, suggest how to complete it and see how well ChatGPT followed these instructions and improve every section. Look at how it rewrote the career summary. Then it worked on the experience section as well, restructuring it with better results and strong action verbs. Now, in the certification section, it added suggestions like LinkedIn and HubSpot certificates. But please note, only keep these certificates in your resume if you actually complete these courses and earn them. Now check the other sections as well. Overall, this version of the resume is more effective and better aligned with B2B sales roles like SDR, Inside Sales Executive, and similar positions. In the next video, I will show you how to customize your resume for a specific company and job description to make it truly relevant. Until then, use the prompt I shared and start improving your resume. Bye-bye for now.